This team approached the GeCCo competition with a well-thought-out method and structured documentation which provided a good introduction to the team, which the pictures made very vivid. This was very supportive in our task as jury members in assessing their submission. The team determined their approach to the competition from the outset, defining their project team organisation, roles and responsibilities, and based this on the skills that each team member brought to the competition to ensure that they could deliver the best results possible. From this initial organisation, the team created a detailed plan covering task assignments, deliverables, a general working structure, and a schedule on submitting the deliverables throughout the competition period. It was good to see through the various submissions that the documentation was continuously developed over the period and showed constant improvement. With regards to the team's submission in response to the case study, this team was able to apply a lot of project management methods to address all required project planning requirements as set out by the competition and good project management in general. For example, the supplied project canvas provided a good executive summary of the project and highlights the major risks to the project, but unfortunately misses several other potential critical risks, and several risk management methods have not been applied. To their benefit, this team did formulate a thoroughly investigated mitigation plan to address the major risk identified. This team's stakeholder management plan, whilst identifying all of the major stakeholders involved in the project, did not provide sufficient information on stakeholder power and interests or analyse their impacts upon the project's objectives and a plan of communication with these stakeholders. In summary, this team provided a very good submission which clearly demonstrated how this team organised themselves to develop and complete all of the tasks, showing their experience and knowledge of project management tools and concepts. Whilst there was always room for improvement, in particular topics like applying the PDCA approach, planning the distribution of sleeping times, and explaining how lessons learned would be applied to future projects, we were certain that this team should be considered as a finalist from the initial viewing of their documentation due to the high quality and considerable effort exhibited in the submission by this team. We are confident that the members of Team 5 will go on to be valued project managers and team members in the future.